Here's what we're dealing with and trying to get the dogs taken care of. David started with a path, but it was getting to be too much work, so now we've employed Gibson to come out and help us. Now, the dogs have been making their paths in the runs. Dixie's got a nice little spot here. I think they want to go out in the play yard. There's David with the water. Gibson's determined to get up to that play yard. Oh boy. Okay, time to put away the camera, start shoveling again, and let Gibson get some rest.